Hey guys, are you want to buy best DisplayPort cables? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best DisplayPort cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Capshi 8K DisplayPort cable. This 8K DisplayPort 1.4 cable delivers cutting-edge performance for gamers, streamers, and professionals alike. VESA certified and supporting resolutions up to 8K at 60 GA, 5K at 60 GA, and 4K at 144 GA. It ensures crystal clear visuals and ultra-smooth gameplay, thanks to HBR3 bandwidth 32.4 gigabits per second, DSC 1.2, and FEC error correction. The cable guarantees lag-free video and flawless audio. With dynamic HDR and support for 32-channel sound, you'll experience every detail, whether in dark cinematic scenes or high-speed FPS battles. Its two 4K gold-plated connectors and multiple shielding layers enhance signal integrity and durability. The slim, flexible build makes it ideal for clean setups, directly connecting desktops or laptops to monitors without the need for adapters. Fully backward compatible with DP 1.3, 1.2, 1.1. This plug-and-play cable supports both mirror and extended modes, offering seamless versatility. A must-have upgrade for any high-performance display setup. Now our second product is iVANKY VESA Certified DisplayPort Cable. The iVANKY VESA Certified DisplayPort Cable delivers reliable, high-performance connectivity for gamers, professionals, and content creators, supporting up to 4K at 60 GE and 2K at 165 GE resolutions. This cable ensures flicker-free visuals, smooth gameplay, and sharp video streaming without screen tearing or motion blur. Built with a premium nylon braided jacket tested for 28,000 plus bends, two 4K gold-plated connectors, and 30 AWG tinned copper, it offers exceptional durability and signal stability. Fully compatible with DP, and DisplayPort++. It's ideal for connecting your PC or laptop to a monitor or projector. The latch-free design makes plugging and unplugging effortless. Certified by VESA, this 6-feet DisplayPort 1.2 cable is more dependable than standard bundled cables and perfect for extended or mirrored displays. Backed by iVANKY's responsive customer support and optional 54-month coverage, it's a top-tier upgrade for any DisplayPort setup. Our third product is Highwings DisplayPort Cable. 16K DisplayPort cable redefines Ultra HD connectivity. With support for resolutions up to 16K at 60 GA DSC, 10K at 60 GA, 8K at 120 GA, and 4K at 240 G, offering an astounding 80 gigabits per second bandwidth. It delivers flawless image clarity and immersive multi-channel audio. Built with 2.8 AWG tin copper, triple shielding, and 24,000 gold-plated connectors, it ensures stable signal transmission and exceptional durability. The anti-slip grip and double nylon braid add convenience and longevity. Gamers will love its support for dynamic HDR, FreeSync, G-Sync, adaptive sync, and 32-bit audio for ultra-immersive gameplay and seamless multi-monitor setups. Compatible with high-end GPUs like RTX 4000, 94080, 4070, and RX 7900X, TX. It's the perfect choice for gaming, streaming, or professional use. Highwings backs the cable with reliable after-sales support, making it a trusted solution for cutting-edge performance and reliability in any display setup. Now number 4. Silkland DisplayPort Cable. The Silkland 16K DisplayPort 2.1 cable is a future-proof solution for ultra-high-definition gaming and professional display needs, supporting resolutions up to 16K at 60 GA DSC, 8K at 120 GA, and 4K at 240 G. It's ideal for gamers and creatives alike. It features dynamic HDR 32-bit audio, HDCP 2.2, DSC 1.2a, and even 3D stereo imaging. Designed for peak gaming performance, it enhances detail and clarity, perfect for FPS and AAA titles. The ergonomic no-buckle groove design allows easy removal in tight spaces, while triple shielding, 2/8 AWG copper wiring, and gold-plated connectors guarantee interference-free signal and durability. Compatible with top GPUs 4097-999 XTX and leading monitors Odyssey G9 Alienware. It supports G-Sync, FreeSync, and Adaptive Sync, with a 24-month warranty and responsive support within 18 hours. Silkland ensures peace of mind alongside powerful performance, and our last choice is Green G's DisplayPort Cables, the VESA certified Green G's 16K DisplayPort 2.1 cable is the ultimate future-ready choice for gamers, creators, and professionals. Supporting resolutions up to 16K at 60GA, 10K at 60GA, 8K at 120GA, and 4K at 240GA. It delivers an unmatched visual experience. With 80 gigabits per second bandwidth, DSC 1.2a, HBR3, and dynamic HDR, it ensures ultra-smooth, tear-free gameplay, perfect for FPS and AA titles. The 32-bit audio enhances every detail, from enemy footsteps to ambient immersion. Built with 2/8 AWG-10 copper, triple shielding, and durable nylon braiding, this cable is 10x tougher than PVC alternatives. The buckle-free grooved design prevents damage and allows easy unplugging in tight spaces. Compatible with top-tier GPUs like the RTX 4090 and RX 7900 XTX, and monitors like Odyssey G9 and Alienware. It supports G-Sync, FreeSync, and Adaptive Sync. Backed by lifetime after-sale support, this cable is built to perform and made to last. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.